Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a mani using Lift Your Spirit dips, and these 5 colors here are all from the SunSet Shimmer Collection. As you can see here, that beautiful gold shimmer. So there's 4 shimmer dips and then 1 chunky glitter. Now all 4 shimmer dips are pink and purple hues, and they all have that gold shimmer in here. And then the chunky glitter is beautiful. Not only is it chunky, but it's mixed with some beautiful fine glitters as well. So since all 5 of these colors are absolutely gorgeous, I had to use them all. So I ended up using them all, and then I did just a little bit of a glitter ombre on 2 nails, which really tied well together. And when you see the end result of these glitters, you're going to need this collection in your life. So on Lift Your Spirit Dips website, they sell the dips in sample sizes, as you see here, and then in their regular jars. And I really like that companies allow you to get sample sizes, because then you're not committed to that one big jar that you're probably never going to use the whole thing. Let's just be realistic here. So it's nice to have those sample size jars. So I am going to be using the gel method today, and then those brushes there from Wet n Wild are what I'm going to be using for the glitter ombre. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this process, and I'll pop back in a little bit. So here I'm actually going to switch things up a little bit. I'm going to just apply the gel base coat on my thumb, and then I'm going to put the dipping powder over my thumb and then flash cure it. I just find when I'm doing an ombre the second time around, I don't want to accidentally bump my thumb or anything like that. So I'll normally go ahead and do that and then flash cure it and then move on with the rest of the mani. So that's what you're going to see here in a moment. And also when I am ombreing the second time, you will also notice the last finger, I forgot to do the glitter. And then I realized it when I was cleaning up the cuticle line. So another good reason about using gel is that if you forget, you can always go back because you didn't cure it yet. If I was using dip liquids, would I still been able to correct it? Yes, I most likely would have had to apply more dip base and then go in and do the glitter ombre. Not the end of the world, but hey, real life happens. And it did, and I left it in here to show you that stuff happens, and I'm okay with it. So I'm going to go ahead and let you continue watching this, and now you're going to watch very closely on that ombre, and I'll be back in a little bit. All right, so we're just finishing up this mani here, and how gorgeous are these colors together. And this chunky glitter ombre is amazing. I cannot stop looking at it. These glitters are very iridescent. They shift in different lights. It is gorgeous. So definitely go over to Lift Your Spirit Dips and check out the SunSet Shimmer Collection. I'll leave all the information down below as well. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.